Alright guys, so it's finally time to start playing with the forge. So originally I said I was going to make this into a knife for the first video. However, I decided on a different project. So this atrocity is the very first thing that I forged, and they work, but the handles are way too long. They don't bend the way I want them to, and I don't ever use these. I use freaking channel locks or pliers most of the time. So I'm basically going to deconstruct these, reform them, and make a working pair of tongs that I can actually deal with effectively. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, so unfortunately I have everything set up very low to the ground right now, and being a tall person, it's kind of tough, but basically the plan is I'm not going to mess with the end too much. I'm just going to make cuts here and here, get workable material out, and then we'll just do the whole thing all over again. My forge is small, but it is long enough to where I can do that. I can pass through and get up in here and just cut that right off. So we're going to go ahead and first thing light the forge and get going from there. I'm actually going to move this away a little bit from this pile of dried hay and leaves. So on the bright side, everything is all wet anyway because I'm in freaking swamp land, but you know. Adjusted the heat on that a little bit. I brought it down to a more workable temperature. Now I put that in there. I'm just going to toast that for a minute and see what kind of temperatures we can get on the steel. And we're going to work it from there. Alright, so that's looking hot enough to cut now. So I've got my cutting wedge, whatever you want to call it, in my hardy hole of my anvil. We're going to go ahead and cut this. Fun fact, my anvil has turned green from being in the outside for so long. This is actually my granddad's anvil, so I didn't buy this, it was handed down to me. I don't know how old it is. It's a Peter Wright. It's a Peter Wright anvil 100. Alright, that's our first piece cut. It's actually a bit long, but I'm going to go with it. I'm going to cut the other side off these tongs and do the same thing. I'm just going to leave this here to cool for a minute. So I'm probably going to end up with 2 different lengths of steel from the start, but that's okay. I can trim that down as I work. So more focused on getting this forged out into a working tong shape. So we'll get a little visual of what's going on inside there. Hope you can see that. My little forge is hard at work. Alright, piece number 2 is ready to cut. I'm going to pull it out and we're going to cut it open. That's okay. All right, back in the forge. All right, I'm about ready to start working it. This little forge heats it up really quickly. I'm actually pretty pleased with the heat of this forge. So my plan is basically to square this bar of or round bar of rebar, and square it off. Basically, I'm going to flatten the heads of the two clamps for the end. We're going to put a curve in it, slight curve. Flatten those two sections out so we can put them together. I'm going to throw it on the drill press this time. Last time I drifted a hole through and it worked fine, but it was just a lot more work to correct the curvature afterwards. So I'm going to try it on the press after we're done shaping, but yeah. Working our way down the metal. So I've got both pieces in right now. I'm going to try to kind of go back and forth. That kind of makes it a little bit more difficult, but I'm comfortable with the working temperatures of this forge to the point where I don't think I'll have any issues. So we'll see how that goes. Go back to working one piece at a time, especially since I'm going to have to be using the pliers to hold the material. Having this set low is killing me. Something in the future. I'm going to try to finish this like this, but having to squat down to do this is killing my back. Well, it's actually starting to rain pretty bad, so I guess that's it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next video.